Hi, welcome back. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So, today is the day that I'm going to give the 2 Amazon giveaways out for reaching 1,000 subscribers. So again, thank you, YouTube, for helping me to get to 1,000 subscribers. I love you, my YouTube family. Okay, so originally we were supposed to do this at 6 o'clock, but we had some family matters that we had to take care of. So I'm gonna do this now, and I'm just gonna put it on. The last time I did live, I forgot my camera was going in and out, so I don't want to take that chance and use my camera tonight, okay? So maybe that's something that I can save some money up on and get a camera, another camera, all right? Okay, so here we go. So it was 2 prizes. The first Amazon giveaway goes out to the one and only person who actually referred a number of people over for the prize. So his name is Dank, D-A-N-K .onion, O-N-I-O-N. Okay, so congratulations, Dank, you won. So again, his name is Dank .onion, and we're gonna put the name on my YouTube channel, and you have this month, so that's October 10th, 2018, to let us know that you are requesting your prize. Okay, so please, we're gonna send you an email, send us back a confirmation so that we can send you the Amazon code for $25. Thank you, Dink. Good job, good job, good job for referring all your people. I love it. Thank you. Okay, and so the next prize is, these are all the subscribers that was, I dropped one, all the subscribers that was on my YouTube channel. So any person's information that when you subscribe that showed up on my YouTube channel, I printed them out, I cut them up, and they're all in here. So now we're gonna pick this person, okay? Let's see. I'm gonna ask my editor, Darius, to come and pick the name. Can you, please? One.
Just one?
Yeah, turn your head. What are you digging for, gold? Okay, you got one? Oh, what's going on? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. One dropped. Okay. We're gonna do a drum roll?
Yeah, drum roll.
Okay, he got one.
Ta-dun, 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 ta-dun.
Oh, come on. Okay, open that up.
Ballin. D-A-V-I-D-B-A-L-L-I-N. David, you subscribed a year ago. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Congratulations on winning the $25 for your Amazon gift card giveaway. Congrats.
Okay, so David, congratulations. David Ballin. Okay, so we're gonna also put your name down on my YouTube channel so that the world know you, David, and Dink are the winners, right? Yay! Did you want to put Dinks across the screen so that they can see that?
Dank Onion, there you go. Congrats, Dank.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna log these 2 in, and I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, YouTube family. It was great, great, great getting to this point, and I look forward to serving you all in the future. dreams come true, and you've made my dream come true. Thank you so much. And while I'm here, I would also like to give, of course, you know, a plug to my grandson's company, One Up Athletics. You like that symbol? Look at that. Huh? I like it. I especially like the arrow that goes through in gold. That is cool, huh? Well, he sells sporting gear, and I just want you to please don't forget to support him, right? Because he takes care of Grandma, and I want you to help take care of him. And Darius, come tell us about what's going on, please. I always got to have you to sell yourself because you sell better than me.
Okay.
Okay, come on over here. You want to sit with me?
Yes.
Okay, come close.
All right. So hey YouTube, it's Darius. You guys see me on this YouTube channel before. So again, One Up Athletics. We are a athletic brand. We do online personal training. We sell performance clothing, and we have sponsored athletes. You can check out our Instagram. Link will be in the description. If you can subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want. We find we get many people help throughout the days, and we make plenty of sales. So please become a part of the movement. We also take in brand ambassadors, so you guys can represent for the brand as the face of One Up as well. So link will be in the description below. And yeah, guys, One Up.
Wait, I have a few questions. So how many brand ambassadors do you have?
We have like well over 10.
10, wow. And where are they located?
All over the world. We got people in the UK, Haiti, all kinds of different countries. So.
Wow. So you have people selling your products in all these states and countries?
Yes.
Wow, isn't that something? He has really grown over the year. I'm telling you. So YouTube family, please join him, okay? Because I know you need some clothing and some learn some lessons on how to get in shape, how to eat right. And pretty soon we're gonna do a video to help you with your diet and what to eat, what not to eat. And I'm gonna have Darius cook that time, okay? All right, so you stay tuned for that, all right? Okay, and from Grandma Ray Don't Play, this is Rachel. I love you, and Darius.
Love you, YouTube. Thank you for subscribing, and look out for the next giveaway.
Bye-bye.